Someone asked how to replace a alternator regulator without pulling the alternator from the engine bay, but you still need to undo it from the bracket. So it has one side bolt, two lower bolts, and also you need to undo the lower bolts, the bottom one underneath the compressor. You need to turn them maybe 3 turns, so careful, those are usually very stuck in there. Don't break them. And then basically you need to release the power cable. The cable bolt, it's all covered with a small cup. It has a 30 millimeter, and there's another 30 millimeter. It's better to undo the cable and also the bigger nut here. That big one, guys, look like this. Mine is a 50 millimeter, and it's pretty difficult to reach with the wrench because of this manifold. I cannot put the ratchet on it. So it's good to undo the 2 bolts when the alternator is sitting in its bracket, because when it's sitting like this, if you want to undo the 30 millimeters, it's gonna to be pretty hard to release them. You need to keep this guy from rotating. That's the whole idea. Once you get the alternator itself, you also have to, basically you have a little cup, just a cover. It looks a little bit like this. Notice there's 1 screw, and this one, it's already released. You will need to release another 30 millimeters. So there's 2 30 millimeters where the power cable, red one, sits. You also did remove already this one. You have a Phillips one there, and these are pretty tricky also because they really get stuck in there. So use a large Phillips screwdriver and press against, and try not to round the head of those screws. Careful. And when you remove this guy here, you lift the cover, and under the cover sits the regulator, and the regulator has 2 extra screws, Phillips, one on the side, one on the other side. In fact, there is 3, but this was one of them. So once you remove it, there's only 2 remaining, and you see there's a second one there and the third one there after you remove that cover here. And that's how you replace the regulator. Maybe check this, the length of these guys, but I can tell you that if your battery is bad and you what happens is the alternator will really force all the time, try to put the maximum power, and that's forcing the regulator, and you may blow the regulator even if it has long legs, still long legs. Especially in the summertime, if you rev the engine, it's gonna overheat this part. So that's one of the reasons the alternators will fail. So my advice is, whenever you replace alternator or regulator, always test the battery afterwards, and if it's not good, replace the battery along with it. While you are at the alternator, it's absolutely important to check the pulley. So check it, give it a spin, see it's spinning smoothly, and then try to make a rotation like this and stop it, and you should see the clutch spinning as well. These are really expensive, maybe 40-50 bucks or so. Always use Bosch. And you also have the part number on it, BR something. But also this number, the upper number of the regulator, you can see it with the everything inside the car. Without removing anything, you have vision to this number here with a flashlight.